Although the camera angle isn't perfect on this, it's merely to show the effects of a zip tie wave. As you can see, it quite easily waves a knife out the pocket, and this one in question is a Spyderco ukpk, a slip joint. It works just about every time, although occasionally you may have to tighten, which is why you leave a bit of a tag on the zip tie. I particularly picked a yellow zip tie as it would show up better in this poor light. Now, this is for taddyboy. I hope this shows you how to do it for your Uzi knife. Simple mod to do, just a zip tie and your knife, and you'll be waving out your pocket in no time. Doesn't even take much practice. There are many videos on the zip tie wave, but this one was more to show you its effects. And this one, at least for me, is not one what can be, with it being a slip joint, it has a high retention. As such, it's hard to do things like drop and flick open. Thanks for your time, see you later. I hope this shows you what you wanted to see, taddyboy. Bye for now.